Hello guys, for today's video, magsosolve tayo ng minigame case. Unang, ayan, ayan, pangalawa, pangatlo, apat, baba yung dalawa, abante yung K, baba yung sa taas, yung dalawa, enough naman yung dalawa, yung tatlo, dalawa na naman yung mahaba, ayun, solved na, puzzle solved. Ayan. Thank you guys. Yun lang. Ganun lang yung basic mag-solve ng minigame para makuha natin yung K. Thank you. Thank you for watching. And don't forget, please unsubscribe my YouTube channel.